Hello everyone, we are Team iConnecto. Pollution has become a major threat for the survival of Earth. Starting from Pacific garbage, polluted beaches, ozone depletion and nuclear emissions to smog-filled cities. On each and every way, humans are contributing to pollution. We, Team iConnecto, have stepped up to save the planet from this major threat, and we are presenting you Recyclo Media, a community that combats pollution to overcome this problem. Recyclo Media is a mobile application which allows the users to actively participate in pollution control activities. We have three key main features which allows us to achieve our goal. The first feature is the events feature, where the participants are allowed to register and discover events in our mobile platform and register themselves to attend those events. The second feature is the donation feature, where the users can donate a sum of money to our platform for us to make events which are towards pollution-free environment. And the third feature is a gamification model which is incorporated in the mobile application, where this allows the users to actively participate in activities related to pollution control. We have also incorporated badges and levels to make this mobile application interesting for the users to use. So to talk about the backend, the Recyclo Media has a live backend which has features like protected routes, role-based access control, static content delivery by a custom CDN, end-to-end TLS, and horizontal and vertical scaling. As you can see in our system architecture, the front end is made of Flutter, and elements like digital ocean load balancer and Kubernetes are helping our mobile platform to serve millions of requests simultaneously. So let me show you a small demo of our application. So this is the opening screen of our mobile platform. And as you all can see, we have used a retro theme to signify that we are trying to take back the present world to the pollution-free world which existed before. So if you can sign in by clicking the sign in option, and you have to enter your email and password in order to log in into the system. And there will be a invalid message if there is a wrong password which is input. So when you sign in, you can see a welcome message and the name of the user at the top and the level of the user. And also it is also visible that the upcoming events will be notified in the home page itself. So moving on to the events page, the user will be allowed to browse through the upcoming events and select an event and see the details of the event. So in this page, the name of the organizers and the date and time of the event will be notified. So moving back, there is the profile page where the user's contribution to the platform can be seen. So if you take this user as an example, this user is in level 10 and also has attended 10 events in our platform. And moreover, the other badges will also be shown in the profile page. So now moving on to the settings page, we can see that there is an About Us page, where when you click the About Us, it will give a brief intro about our team. So Isala, Suvin, Akash, Visal and myself, Tivyan, are the creators of this Recyclomedia. So going back to the settings screen, there is the donate option where we allow the users to donate a sum of money to our platform for us to get on creating events which lead to a pollution-free environment. Now going back to the settings screen, there is the sign out button where a user can sign out from his profile. So as you all can see, we, Team iConnecto, have made our first step in order to make this Earth a pollution-free place to live. So let's join hands to make this Earth a better place to live. Thank you.